Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about why AI and robotic process automation are a perfect match. Guys, this is Abhinav Sabharwal and I am Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. If you are new here, make sure to click subscribe button and check out all the links we have mentioned in this video. You can find the links in comment section below. Artificial intelligence is increasingly being recognized as a future of customer service. This way of thinking has only been accelerated by ongoing pandemic as needs for efficiency, agility, and productivity continue to rise. But what about robotic process automation, which is conventionally thought of as a human replacement? I'm here to tell you that RP is a burgeoning application that's leveraging AI, especially AI-driven analytics to automate tasks. When combined, the two can be used as business and innovation accelerators that not only improve employee experience but customer experience as well, leading to improved customer loyalty, brand reputation, and overall bottom line results. Keeping employees engaged. It's no secret that workforce have experienced significant changes over the last few months, with most rapidly shifting to work from home environments. For those in customer service, the challenges have been twofold as they navigate and respond to a growing number of customer inquiries shifting customer needs. The task of empowering reps to deliver great customer service while also dealing with abnormalities has many organizations turning to AI and RPA powered AI that can be used to identify mundane tasks like refund requests or collecting contact details that RPA can then automate. As admin centric requests are handled without manual intervention, overall call volumes are reduced, taking the pressure off employees and freeing them up to make room for the calls that agent actually want to take. This keeps the reps engaged and on board, a crucial factor in driving business success because those who fail to find purpose in their work perform below their potential and are less productive than those who do. AI-powered analytics can also be leveraged during automated dialogue with customers to pose questions and deliver answers that closely mimic conversation with a human based on combined learnings of all the live and automated customer interactions that have previously taken place with the business. When a customer interacts with your brand, they aren't just comparing the services of to that of your competitors, but to a very single interaction they have had with any company. This further established CX as the last remaining competitive differentiator. But not enough organizations are stepping up to the plate. How many times have you called a brand just to be transferred from one service rep to another, repeating the same information over and over? It is an experience too many of us know all too well, and it's one that hurts customer satisfaction. AI and RPA can change that by automatically identifying and routing calls to appropriate team while transferring information along the way, thus improving customer experience. The tech can also be used to help employees deliver personalized assistance and connect with customers. A recent study we concluded found that 45% of customers who switched providers during COVID-19 would have stayed loyal if the brands had delivered better CX or connected with them on human level. Armed with AI and RPA, brands can capture near real-time feedback around how customers feel and equip agents to display the behavior that produce positive call outcomes, as well as solutions that satisfy customers. With AI leveraged and RP deployed, rapid gains in teams' capacity can be realized and employees' time can be reallocated to more strategic, value added activities that uncover business wins. As agents on the front line perform more meaningful tasks, brand can redefine customer success by providing true value, solving problems, and strengthening relationship rather than asking things like, "Can you provide your date of birth?" and "Do you mind confirming the name on the account?" RP also interacts with legacy systems to analyze data too labor intensive to extract manually, resulting in broader and more reliable insights. By reducing the volume of manual errors, higher quality data can be analyzed and trends can be quickly identified. This allows business to not only take on more opportunities but also serve customers more efficiently and accurately. One of the most important aspects of leveraging AI and RPA in your customer experience strategies is specifically specificity. Specifics or lack of thereof can make or break your efforts. As you develop and implement right processes in your automation programs, it's important to ensure every step is clear because the automation will follow the actions laid out for it and start its learning from there. Ensuring speci- specificity begins with the tapping team members who have extensive insights into processes you want to automate. Those people will serve as your automation champions before, during, and after implementation. And they can answer any questions that arise or share ways to improve the system processes once integrated. It also includes leveraging analytics from the massive amounts of contact center interaction data to identify the most often asked and potentially most easily answered questions or tasks that can be automated. During this, should doing this should enable you to quantify the number of calls and hours of calls that can be eliminated by turning over specific tasks to AI in RPA, which in most cases easily offsets the investment in these technologies. RP is a key component in the landscape of AI technology that improves customer experience. We at School of RPA predict that more than 40% of enterprises will create state-of-the-art digital workers by combining AI and RPA. I think that number will only continue to grow. Equipped with AI-powered analytics and RPA, everyone benefits from customers to employees to the bottom line. With results like this, what's not to love? Guys, thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst Training. My number is on the screen, and if you like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for our free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.